Would you like to make a floral arrangement like this for your events? Okay, perfect. Let's get started. I'm going to show you the first steps, the basic instructions, and we'll start with the floral foam. We want this foam completely soaked with water, so the flowers don't get damaged and they last a long time. Today I'm going to show you the flowers we'll be using here, hydrangeas and roses, and we're going to start in the center. I start from the center, because that's how I learned to do this. Then I turn the arrangement around to shape it and decide how big it's going to be. Today we're going to add flowers on the other side too, to give my arrangement that round look, because in this class I'm showing you how to make a fully round arrangement. For this video we cut the flowers ahead of time, so we don't take too long. And you already know, I'll always leave the page here so you can register your businesses at evendorsvip.com. It's a really great site for event businesses and other industries too. Also, if you need help with your social media, with keeping all your pages active so you can get more sales, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help you with that. So now, as you can see, we're going to arrange the flowers on this side. And what I try to do first is cover all the empty spaces in the arrangement so you don't see so much foam. And this is how you start filling it in. Then at the end we'll add the roses. And don't worry, we're going to finish this arrangement faster than you can imagine. Since I already have practice, I don't need a rotating stand, but if you're just starting out, I recommend using a turntable. It makes it easier. Let me tell you, I make a lot of arrangements in a bay, so I can do this pretty easily. Honestly, I don't even need scissors or anything. I just do it quickly with my hands and it doesn't take me long. And like I was saying, if you need help with your social media, leave a comment and I'll gladly recommend which of my videos show you how to add your website. So the flowers fell right here. Just don't tell anyone I put them back from the floor. As you can see, it's super easy. What I've done here has taken me less than 2 minutes. And let me tell all of you, this kind of work is one of the most beautiful jobs there is. It's very elegant work for spectacular events. And clients love it when you do good work and use beautiful, high quality flowers. So I always use the more expensive roses. I never buy cheap roses. And I never give my clients low quality roses. I try to clean them really well so I can give my clients a spectacular presentation. We never ever use cheap roses, only premium roses that can last a long time. Most of our flowers last up to 8 days. If we've made arrangements for you, leave that in the comments. I have so many happy clients and honestly, it's a huge pleasure for us to help with your arrangements. With the rose, I always leave it sticking out a little from the hydrangeas, as you can see. So it stands out and gives it a unique touch. In a moment, you'll see the finished arrangement, and it's going to look beautiful. I try not to push the rose too far in, or hide it inside the hydrangeas, because hydrangeas have a lot of volume and roses are smaller. So we're gonna make the rose show a little more on the outside. So in this case, I cut all the flowers ahead of time because as you can see, I don't want the video to run too long. A lot of my followers say, don't make such long videos. So this time I try to do it as fast as possible so you're happy and watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for following me and don't forget to sign up on my page. Subscribe and turn on the bell for future videos. Believe me, a client called me and said, you know, I've learned so much from your videos, not just how to make floral arrangements. I put my business on social media and I've gotten so many clients. And she said, more than anything, you were the guide I needed to start my own business. And as you can see, it really makes me happy when my clients tell me that. So I hope some of you start your own business too and one day leave me a comment saying I inspire you to get started. And remember, work is a beautiful thing. Don't be embarrassed. Keep moving forward and doing amazing things. Like I always say, I'm not ashamed to work. As I've told you in other videos, I do a lot of things, I work all kinds of jobs, and I'm not ashamed of working hard. So I recommend, if you have that dream, that drive, that desire to start your own business, don't say, I'll do it tomorrow. Today is the day to start building your social media. Start today. Don't wait until next year or even next month. Today you can start a project. Open your social pages, post your business, your idea, your venture, and little by little people will come. You'll see, it can be a huge success. And I'll say it again, if you want to create your website, your booking link, your landing page, your business listing, anything, even how to post, please let me know. I'm 100% here to help you. As long as the comments are kind, I really appreciate them. And don't get impatient. We're about to put this beautiful arrangement on the table so you can see the final touch. I couldn't tell you exactly how many roses I used because I was moving a little fast making it, but honestly, I'm generous with the flowers. I want my clients to get the very best of our work. We never give our clients a low quality arrangement. Everything is done extra beautifully, carefully, so they can enjoy their party in the prettiest way possible. So now we're going into the final part. As you can see, greenery always looks beautiful with flowers. Here I'm going to add just a little greenery, because for these arrangements I don't like using too much with the colors we have here, the white and soft pink. So you add just enough so the pink tones don't get lost. And as you can see, I'm not using scissors. With my hands, it's easy. So don't be afraid of flowers at all. Making a floral arrangement can be really easy. And now we're going straight to the table with this beautiful arrangement. It's almost ready. Now we're going to set it on the table. Let's go over here. So we're using that square stand, a really elegant style that's very popular right now. And here's the finished arrangement. So pretty. We finished filling in the last little touches and it turned out gorgeous, faster than you'd imagine. So I invite you to follow my channel,